Hey everybody, welcome to R3 Garage. Welcome to another video. On today, we're going to be looking at this 1981 DeLorean Dmc-12. It is going for $90,000, so let's get on it. Anyway, about this car, driven 17,000 miles, exterior, interior is gray. Got a clean title on here. Now this thing is based out of Chattanooga, Tennessee, and I love Chattanooga, Tennessee. I love Tennessee in general. Beautiful state. Chattanooga, beautiful, pretty chill and all that. Anyway, the seller's description. Completely rebuilt DeLorean from the ground up. Frame has been hot dip galvanized after all rust areas were cut out and replaced. All metal parts were replated in yellow zinc. Engine and wheels powder coated matching color. All components reinstalled in the car were either new NOS, I think that's neither. I forgot what NOS mean. Neither otherwise. I don't know what NOS, but it say NOS or rebuilt. Will not reply to auto messages or pointless message. No test drivers or viewing of the car without proof of full available funds. Extensive write-ups, list of parts installed can be sent to serious buyers. Anyway, he want 90 grand for it. 90 grand. Now these cars are really sought after. Let me see. I'm looking up the let me see. I thought this car is really cool. Anyway, this is the front end. This is very futuristic. Well, was during that time, still is. This thing was in a couple movies. You got the one movie Driven, and you have Baby Driver, Billionaire Boys, Back to the Future, which everybody knows this car from. So this thing been in a lot of films and all that, and it was a very cool car. And still is a cool car and all that. And they do hold a value pretty good. A lot of people are really hooked on these, believe it or not. Anyway, this is the side profile. We got these suicide doors right here. Got some nice looking comfortable seats. Very nice wheels on there, but they basic but pretty nice. Interior looks so clean. It looks so comfortable to sit down. We also got a manual. Very clean. Got another look. That's pretty clean. That's some nice interior right there, I'll tell you that. This is the back. DeLorean. Oh man. So this is the engine right here. I forgot what type of engine it was. I was watching this video on I seen a video of this car on Legit Street Cars. I've been watching his DeLorean series, but it's been like some months ago. But he got some great videos. Anyway, this is the car right here. So they completely gutted it out, stripped everything down. Like, oof, that's a lot. Then you got all the parts that was plated. This is pretty clean. I'm not gonna lie. This is like a brand new car coming straight from a dealer. That's pretty clean. Then they did a lot on the engine. Also, it is a 6-cylinder. This thing look really clean. I believe that's the. Gearbox. I mean the transaxle. Yeah, I believe it's a transaxle right there. Got the flywheel. Got the clutch. Wow. That looks so sick. And I'm pretty sure this is the link kit and all that where you change the gear and all. Dang. Now this is a proper way to restore a car. I'm not gonna lie. You know how much time you gotta have on your hands and all that? Like, oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Wow. That is clean. Another look. I'm pretty clean. Everything is clean. You got your axle, you got your shock, got your brake caliper. Man, this thing pretty clean. Everything look legit. Everything. Nice exhaust. Wow. But anyway, guys, it's gonna be pretty much it. Let me know y'all thoughts down below. I think this car is worth 90 grand. Honestly, let me know if this was your dream car growing up back in the day. I know talking to older folks, they used to talk about this car a lot. I remember this one teacher I had. She said this one dude from high school had a DeLorean and all that, and she thought it was like the coolest thing ever. I'm pretty sure it was the coolest thing back then and all that, and still is. Let me look up the price point. Let me see. All right, so the value you can expect to pay around $52,800. This guy want 90 grand for it, but this is a completely like clean car. Like everything is gutted out. And like I said, there's going to be somebody out there who will be willing to pay this much, especially if they can get their hands on a car like this. If they grew up on it and all that. Think about it. There's going to be somebody out there. That's pretty cool, though. I think it's a pretty cool car. Really cool. But anyway, let me know y'all thoughts down below. And I think that's going to be it. It's like 3 in the morning right now. I want to just share this. I thought it was pretty cool. Just getting awareness out. And I'm always scrolling on the Facebook Market and other websites and all that. I mean, why not? Wow. If I ever get a DeLorean, that'd probably be like after the fact. It's a cool car, but it's a cool car. But that'd probably be like after the fact. You get one of these. But anyway, guys, I'll see y'all. Peace.